is for those that want to start a YouTube channel and they're like, hey, I don't have money to buy blah 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 camera, DSLR camera, Canon with camera, or I don't have money to buy all the lighting in the world. No, you can start it where you are. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to another episode of Life with Sugar, and I am your host, the baby girl for this channel, Ebony.sugarr. So before I continue, please hit the subscribe button. There's a red button, like it's this way, I guess. Yeah, this way. Hit that red button and also hit the notification button so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. Please like this video, comment, give it a thumbs up, tell me what you think about this video. Tell me what you think about the video. Comment and tell me kind of videos, kind of things you would love me to do. So in this video I'm going to be telling you how to start a YouTube channel on a very, very low budget. If you're looking for it to start a YouTube channel, you're like, God, I don't have money, I want to do this, I want to do that, I need to buy this and that, I need to buy blah 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 camera. No, you can start it on a very, very, very low budget. And today I'm going to be sharing some tips and some things you just need to use to start your YouTube channel on a very low budget. Remember, right now, this channel, like you starting the channel on a broke budget, let me say a broke, but like you don't have money, just want to start. Alright, so I'm giving you some things you need to do. Alright, so how to start a YouTube channel on a very low budget. You need your phone. If you go to some channel, you'll be like, I use Canon blah 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 camera, I use this one, I use that one. No, you need only, and remember we're talking about broke people's language right now, so you need your phone. At least you can use, you have some smartphones right now that have like 2-3 cameras. The one I'm using have like 3 cameras right now. So you need your phone first. First start with your phone. Don't go be buying camera that you don't even know the name. So start with your phone. So the next thing you need a tripod stand or a book stack. Like you could get books, get a table, stack books, like different, like 4 to 5 books. Put your phone on top of the book, like put your phone on top of the book, then put something at the back to hold your phone. So that when you are filming, when you're filming the video, you're going to see it's going to be steady. You don't have to hold it, because if you hold it in your hand, it's going to be shaky, so it's going to be steady. But if you don't have, if you have money, you can still get a selfie stick. You know selfie stick now? You can cut a rubber into half, put stones inside and stand the selfie stick. If you still have the money to buy a tripod stand, no problem, it's very, very fine and okay. Yeah. Then you also need a good background, like this background I kind of feel it's nice. Or you need a plain white background, or a normal, a fine background. You don't just need, so that at least your audience can concentrate on you. They can see you and be like, okay, this person, because if your background is busy, they'll be looking, trying to like, what's going on in the background? What's going on in the background? So you need a very, very nice background. You also need lights, like you need a ring light. But now remember, we're talking broke people's language. So you just look for where there is sun, like in your house where sun comes in, or where the light comes through. Or if you can get a white bulb or this energy bulb in your house, no problem, you can do it. When you want to film, just on it, like you film when there's light. But if there's no light, you just stay close to where the natural source of light is coming in from. Alright, so another thing you need, I wrote it down on my phone so I will not forget. You also need editing apps. There's some apps you can use to edit on your phone. You don't need to get a system to edit, because you're using your phone to film now and you don't have a system. So there's some app you can use on your phone to edit. We have like Power Director, we have KineMaster, we have InShot. Like I have a friend that is doing a class on InShot editing. It's Deborah. She's also a YouTuber, so please go subscribe to her YouTube channel. She has a class on video editing using InShot, and it's a very, very, very good class. So please go patronize her. Also subscribe to her YouTube channel. We have different editing apps. We have Viva Cuts, we have different editing apps. So please just look for an editing app that you know you can use to edit your video that is simple for you. Like I've given you an InShot is a very, very simple app, but you need to master it. So you can go check out her course. It's very, very good at editing. If you go check out her YouTube channel, you know that she's good at editing with InShot, so please go check her. I'm going to put a link to her channel in the description box. Okay, so you also need a microphone, but remember we are talking broke people's language here, so if you cannot afford a microphone, my dear, be audible. Speak out, let people hear what you are saying. Let them hear what you are saying. Be audible, speak out. Forget microphone because we are broke people's language. Be audible. So you can use your phone, don't forget. After you use your phone, use a natural source of light. Since you can't get the ring light, remember it's broke people's language. Then be audible. Look for a nice background. Be audible. Now, okay, so for you to see what you are filming. I remember when you are filming with your phone, always use the back camera because your front camera may not be as good as the back. So you clean your lens and use the back camera to film. Yeah. So for you not to film and to see what you're filming, especially if you're filming alone, nobody's there to help you. You also need a mirror to put in front of your phone so that as you're filming, you're also like you see the reflection of what you're doing on the mirror, so you know you're not making mistake or you're not doing rubbish. Okay, so the last but not the least, I literally mentioned everything on my list. I mentioned your phone, your selfie stick or your book stack or your tripod stand if you can get it. Be audible, or you can get a small lavalier mic. Then if your phone is not really good, like your phone camera is not really good, you can get a phone lens. Like there are lenses you can buy. You just clip it to your phone camera. You can get a phone lens. Like I have one also. You can get a phone lens to clip to your phone camera, and it's going to give you a very good video quality. So guys, that's all for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below. Tell me the kind of videos you want me to be filming, if it's tips, vlogs. If you watch this video to this point, yeah, you are the real G's. I love you so much. Bye.